the National Weather Service as part of severe weather preparedness week for the state of Georgia. Repeating, this is only a test. This practice test is in effect until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for all of Georgia. Has this been an actual warning? Please think about what you would do right now if you were at home, at work, or in your car. Know the tornado safety rules to protect yourself and your family. This test warning is conducted annually during severe weather preparedness week to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. Once again, this practice test warning message will remain in effect until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statement issued. This concludes the test warning message from the National Weather Service. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the